Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Cell Salts 12 is probably one of the most talked about homeopathic remedies for its potential to support overall health and well-being, and in this video, we will explore what makes it so popular, examining its key ingredients, potential benefits, and things to consider before incorporating it into your wellness routine. We'll also look at some of the top brands available and provide you with a detailed review to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Schussler Cell Salts Kit. This kit contains all 12 tissue salts, providing a comprehensive approach to cellular health. It's an economical way to have everything you need on hand. Finding the right remedy is simple with the included chart. It guides you to the appropriate salt for your specific needs, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. It helps support your immune system and provides essential cellular nutrition. This contributes to overall health and vitality. Made with all natural ingredients, it's a safe and gentle way to support your well-being. Most people can use it without worry. With consistent use, it helps your body's natural healing processes. Experience the benefits of supporting your cellular health from the inside out. Get the complete set of 12 tissue salts in one convenient kit. Start your journey towards better cellular health today. What we like? It's an all-in-one kit, including a handy chart for easy use. This makes it perfect if you're new to cell salts and want a simple way to get started. If you are looking for a convenient and affordable way to support your immune system, this is the one for you. What people say. Very well packed in a user-friendly storage box. Having all major 12 cell salts on hand and easily accessible is a major help. The cell salts are organized in such a nice, sturdy box. That will make it very easy to keep them all together in a user-friendly way. Since I am familiar with gut problems leading to overall health issues and the need for high-quality bodily nutrition, I was intrigued by the idea that supplying key cell salt nutrients to the body could help affect better total health. Number 4. Glass Bottle Classic Tissue Cell Salts. This kit provides a complete set of 12 essential Schussler cell salts. They're known for their potential benefits in supporting cellular health and overall well-being. It offers a broad selection of minerals for various potential uses, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. It's a comprehensive solution for your needs. Many believe it can support immune system function and cellular nutrition. Remember, while we can't make specific claims, it's commonly used for its potential contributions to overall health. We use glass bottles to ensure the purity and longevity of the salts. This protects their quality and ensures you receive the best possible product. The salts included play a vital role in cellular function. They are valued for their potential contributions to natural bodily processes. Choose this kit for a comprehensive approach to wellness. It's a versatile and convenient way to incorporate these essential minerals into your daily routine. What we like? It prioritizes quality with its glass bottle packaging, preserving the purity of the salts. It's ideal if you value quality and want to ensure the longevity of your cell salts. If you appreciate high-quality ingredients and packaging, you should consider this option. What people say. I prefer glass bottles over plastic and was happy to find them in all 12 cell salts. I use them myself and also give them to my cats by dissolving one pellet in a shot glass of water and mixing it in their food. Cell salts in Germany are regulated for purity and only available from a pharmacist. Cell salts are very basic and very diluted simple compounds not available from normal foods, but necessary for cell function. They are compounds commonly found in most high school chemistry labs for simple experiments. I've been using the salts for 3 years and am healthy except for a bit of knee arthritis and being overweight. Number 3. HYLAND'S Bioplasma Tablets. These tablets offer a natural homeopathic approach to support your overall well-being. They provide essential cell salts vital for cellular function, helping your body maintain balance. Do you experience cold symptoms, nervous tension, fatigue, or headaches? It can help alleviate these common ailments naturally and effectively. These quick-dissolving tablets melt in your mouth instantly, making them incredibly easy to take. No water needed. Each dose contains a balanced supply of cell salts to support optimal cellular function. Now with just one tablet per dose for ultimate convenience. One bottle provides up to 50 doses, ensuring you have a convenient supply on hand to support your health needs. Discover the natural difference. Support your body's natural ability to maintain balance and well-being with HYLAND'S Bioplasma Cell Salts tablets. What we like. These melt quickly in your mouth, making them easy to take. It's great if you need fast relief from common ailments. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to address cold symptoms, nervous tension, fatigue, or headaches, this is a good choice. What people say. These are great for when my head hurts. They work well and fast. Unlike many more occasional homeopathic remedies, these are good for taking regularly as a supplement. And the 12-in-1 factor covers a lot of bases. Our family loves these, and we take them every day for overall maintenance. Dissolve quickly, even the little one takes them with no issue. Works well. Number 2. HYLAND'S Bioplasma Cell Salts Tablets. These tablets offer a convenient way to support your overall well-being. They're easy to take and provide a daily dose of all 12 cell salts. It helps bring balance to your cells, contributing to your overall health and vitality. Maintain your well-being with this simple daily supplement. They're quick-dissolving tablets that melt in your mouth instantly. No water needed for a convenient and pleasant experience. It may provide relief from symptoms like colds, nervous tension, fatigue, and headaches. Experience the benefits of natural support. This pack contains 200 doses, providing a generous supply for your needs. It's a cost-effective way to support your health. For over 100 years, HYLAND'S Naturals has been committed to providing high-quality products to help families live healthier and happier lives. Trust in a brand with a legacy of excellence. What we like. You get double the amount, providing long-lasting symptom relief. It's perfect for families or individuals who need a larger supply. If you need a larger quantity for daily use or to share with family, this is a cost-effective option. What people say. These dissolve very quickly under the tongue, which I cannot say for other brands we've tried. Once cramps start, I take about 3 to 4 under my tongue, sublingual, and let them dissolve. Followed up with a large glass of water, and walking around a bit. Almost always do my cramps subside. I had a headache and it did seem to work to some degree. Then I tried it when I had one of my internal cramps, which I've had for a couple decades, and it killed the pain in less than a minute. Since then I've dissolved 2 days under my tongue and the cramp hasn't returned. I sleep better too. There are 12 cell salts, and this product has all 12. Number 1. Jackson's 12-in-1 Cell Salt. It's a convenient way to get all 12 Schussler cell salts in one daily dose. This unique blend supports your energy levels and immune system. It's suitable for various dietary needs, being both vegan and lactose-free. Enjoy the benefits without compromise. It provides daily support for your energy levels and helps maintain a healthy immune system during cold season. It's your daily wellness companion. It's formulated to help your body better absorb essential minerals and vitamins. This contributes to overall health and well-being. Made in the USA according to the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the United States, HPUS, it undergoes rigorous testing for purity. You can trust its quality and efficacy. Each bottle provides a 4-month supply when taken once daily. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your daily wellness routine. Third-party certified by Vegan Action, it's also lactose-free, gluten-free, and filler-free. It's a pure and wholesome supplement. It's traditionally compounded in small batches using non-GMO sucrose instead of lactose. This ensures quality and maintains its potency. Stored in amber glass bottles to preserve its potency and extend its shelf life. Plus, we're a 1% for the Planet member, committed to environmental sustainability. What we like. It's vegan, lactose-free, and made with high-quality ingredients. It's a great option for those with dietary restrictions. If you are looking for a high-quality, vegan, and long-lasting cell salt option, this is the one for you. What people say. Better than HYLAND'S, this is mostly 6x. My husband suggested I take magnesium phosphorus because I'd ordered a bottle of regular magnesium. He said the 6x would be most effective. I was just going to order magnesium phosphate separately, but we saw this 12-in-1 at Amazon and my husband said to order it. I'd had some foot issues intermittently for the past few months where I'd be driving and I would have sharp pains shooting through the bottom of my foot and I would have to take my shoe off. I would best describe it as cramping. And oftentimes I'd have to pull over, take my shoe off for 3 or 4 minutes and then it would go away. This was not related to one specific shoe because I had many different kinds. However, after taking this for the past 3 days, I noticed yesterday I had no pain for the first time. I will continue using for another week or so to see if issue remains. I just started taking these 2 days ago and I can already see a difference. I have taken Cell's salts for years, but ever since H______ changed their products I stopped buying them. I am so happy with these. I can tell right away that they are working because my cheeks get so soft. The pellets dissolve easily and taste good. These help with so many things. This is the only product of its kind in the natural health foods market. It's great. A 12-in-1 combo is awesome. You're getting a bit of each and every salt. Can save you money and time. I really like the idea of the combo. I think it was a great idea to make a product like this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.